The countdown to the Lok Sabha elections in Karnataka just got a lot more exciting. In the lead up to the elections, political parties are engaging in an advertising war, each attacking the other vigorously over their alleged inefficiencies. It appears that this battle began when the Congress put a full front page advertisement on a national daily newspaper depicting a chombu, which is Kannada slang for empty pot or a mug, implying that the BJP-led NDA government at the centre gave nothing but empty promises to Karnataka. Now, this is the same Congress which in the run-up to the assembly elections in Karnataka in May last year launched a Pay CM campaign against the BJP in Karnataka. The Congress had then won the election riding on the alleged corruption of the BJP. The advert, which rather slyly coincided with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rally in Bengaluru, highlighted various grievances including withheld funds, delayed drought relief, unemployment and unfulfilled promises. The advertisement featured an empty mug with a list of BJP's alleged shortcomings, drawing national attention and triggering responses from the opposition parties. During Prime Minister Modi's roadshow in Karnataka, JDS Supremo and former Prime Minister Deve Gowda was seen holding the newspaper in his hand. Deve Gowda praised Prime Minister Modi and said that he had actually turned the empty lota to Akshay Patra, which is a mythological reference to a pot that never runs out of food. The war quickly spilled onto social media when Siddaramaiah shared an edited image of the former Prime Minister and the incumbent on X and wrote, "Shri Deve Gowda showing the art to the artist." He was followed by his deputy DK Shivkumar, who shared the same picture on the microblogging site with the caption "Poetic Justice." BJP leaders also joined the fray, sharing an edited image of Siddaramaiah holding an empty pot in 2013 and without one in 2023 behind where a public toilet is also visible. Siddaramaiah sworn as the 14th Chief Minister of Karnataka in 2013 before the Modi government came to power. Besides the social media exchange, Congress staged a protest in Bengaluru on Saturday, April 20 with empty mugs. Congress MP and Party General Secretary Randeep Surjewala took to X to share photos from the protest and slammed the BJP-led centre for ignoring the Kannadigas and their demands. And now the BJP has responded with posters titled "Congress Dangers" that are being put across the state. The ad campaign highlights a range of incidents that raised concerns about the state of law and order in Karnataka. These posters and advertisements listed alarming events including the Rameshwaram Cafe blast and the murder of student Neha Hiremath on a college campus. The BJP underscored these events to question the Congress-led state's commitment to public safety and its ability to maintain order. Another point raised in the BJP's poster was the release of Kaveri river water to Tamil Nadu. This issue has been contentious in Karnataka, where many see it as a betrayal of the state's interest. IT/BT Minister Priyank Kharge suggested that Congress's advertisement resonates with voters because it is based on facts, while BJP's deputy opposition leader Arvind Bellat dismissed the ad war, stating that voters focus on performance rather than advertising. The advertising battle and social media exchanges reflect the heated battle that awaits Karnataka. From eye-catching full-page spreads in leading newspapers to strategic poster placements and viral social media posts, the parties are stepping up their game to capture hearts and minds. Beyond ideology and policy, this election battle is about who can craft the most compelling message in the most creative way and get it in front of the most eyes the quickest. I'm Deepthi Rao. You are watching India Today, so South.